Hi everyone, it's Gary here. You've probably noticed I've been quiet on this plant channel recently. Well, I want to be upfront with you about why. Currently running 2 YouTube channels has been a lot. And while I still love plants, I started to lose motivation and my mojo here because, well, there was just not enough interaction as I'd hoped. And that made me wonder, should I continue with this channel or is it time for me to take a break? So when I first started this channel, I was so excited to share everything from like little seedling growth updates to plant care routines to showing you my plant setups and taking you on journeys around Bangkok Plant Show, Chinese plant shows, etc. So I really enjoyed filming propagation progress and showing you the small wins along the way and some of the disasters as well. But recently I've been spending more time on my other projects and this channel went a little bit quiet. I didn't want to just disappear without explaining because many of you have been here supporting me for a long time and that means a lot, it really does, because my channel now is monetized, which is absolutely great. So here's what I want to ask you. Do you still want me to continue uploading here? If yes, what type of content do you want the most? It could be anything from, would you like more plant care tips, troubleshooting videos, progress updates, like for instance my anthurium seedling and plant setups. So here's some anthurium seedlings and as you can see behind me I'm surrounded by them. Or do you want shorter, quicker videos that you can view in under 1-2 minutes, say, for instance? So your feedback will decide the future of this channel. So please drop me a comment below. I do read them and I do reply to every single comment that comes in. And let me know what you enjoy the most and what you'd like to see in the future. So thank you so much again for your support. Even when I've been a bit quiet, it really does mean a lot to me and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. And I will see you again soon.